that the country is going very fast as far as AI is concerned, and there is nobody stopping the country. सगळे 90 CEOs बाकीच्या देशाचे सगळे मिनिस्टर्स ते सगळे आयले where they only saw how best it is to invest in the country. When we are looking at employment opportunities for the next generation who are from the technology space or otherwise from ITES or other areas, we need to see how best we can create our ecosystem for AI. आणि AI मिशन फॉर्म करतकर पॉलिसी ड्रिवन जेन्ना करता तेन्ना इंडस्ट्री बेनिफिट्स मेळटा, स्टुडंट्सांक बेनिफिट्स मेळटा, एकेडमियाक बेनिफिट मेळटा, अँड दिस इकोसिस्टम स्लोली स्टार्ट्स मुव्हिंग. When we start comparing ourselves with bigger states, we have our own challenges. And ताज्या खातीर Goa is not only a tourism destination, but a very serious player in AI space is something that we have been trying to put across. Whether it's agri-tech, tourism tech, health tech, fishing, तरेच्या हातून AI already is finding space. Today we had people from Sarvam AI, Shubham, Guru and his team. We had Karthik from India AI Mission also joining us through video conferencing. And तातूंतल्यान आमकां discussions preliminary जाले where our friends from the academia, industry and a part of government corporations have done some brainstorming on the first intent. Very importantly is we need to have skills. We need to have the startups and companies being given a proper direction. We need to have the capital for the industries that want to come in. आणि ताज्या खातीर हे समज सगळं पळयतले जाल्यार एक मिशन जो आमी घेतला AI मिशन तातूंत ड्रायव्ह करतले जाल्यार पॉलिसी वॉज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. मागीर कावन्सील फॉर्मेशन जाय, बाकीचे कितले ते एस्पेक्ट जाय, आनी तातूंतल्यान शॉर्ट टर्म, मिड टर्म आनी लॉंग टर्म प्लॅन दवरलो जाल्यार गोवा AI म्हणटकर गोवा वेदर इट्स डिझायन, वेदर इट्स टुरिझम, वेदर इट्स हेल्थ और वेदर इट्स एग्री, दीस शुड बी लुक्ड एट गोवा एज अ आयडियल लोकेशन फॉर AI. R&D जावं, इनोव्हेशन जावं, सगळ्या खातीर. सो रिसर्च एंड डेव्हलपमेंट आनी बाकीच्यान पळयतकर आमचो टॅलंट इतलो बरो आसा, तो गोंयचो टॅलंट गोंयांत दवरून गोंयाक ताजे बेनिफिट्स मेळचे हो प्रयत्न गोंयचो सरकाराचो आसा अंडर आवर चीफ मिनिस्टर. एट द सेम टायम दीस मिशन अलाउज अस टू मेक पॉलिसीज विच आर सिटींग टुगेदर. गव्हर्नमेंट बसून आपूण खंयचीच पॉलिसी काडना. आमचे डिरेक्टर बाब कबीरान पॉलिसी ड्राफ्ट डॉक्युमेंट जो केला ही शेअर्ड इट विथ द इंडस्ट्री एंड द एकेडेमिया. Government along with the industry and academia, how we have done the IT policy and the startup policy, we will sit again, get this policy in the making and ensure that they are driving it. At the same time, जो सपोर्ट AI मिशनाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान मेळटा आणि AI मिशनान जेन्ना हांव स्वता आशिल्लो, कबीर आशिल्लो, एंटायर आमची टीम आशिल्ली, what maximum industries we can invite to the state of Goa to ensure that Goa benefits through AI is something which we have looked at. We are very forward thinking in terms of getting companies like Sarvam AI, who has already been the, as far as the AI space is concerned, the country is talking and the Prime Minister is talking. We already had Sarvam. They have been a part of these discussions, and we would like to see how best we can collaborate and communicate to each other to get these things going. ब्लॉकचेन जावं, AI जावं, इंडस्ट्री 4.0 चेर फुडें वता आसतना ह्युमन टचूय तितलोच इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. सो बॅलन्स कसो करप ते ह्या पॉलिसीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान वी वील ट्राय टू ड्रायव्ह इट. दोन्ही मिटिंग्यो आज खूब इम्पॉर्टंट आशिल्ल्यो फ्रॉम IT पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू, आणि आमच्या बाब कबीरान दोन्ही मिटिंग्यो ज्यो कॉन्सॉलिडेट करून सगळ्यांक आयिल्ले सगळे इंडस्ट्री एकेडेमियाक थँक्यू म्हणटा फॉर देअर टायम दे हॅव टेकन अप, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे इट इज अ कोलॅबरेटिव्ह एफर्ट. Contribution if everybody has to come in to ensure to drive that next generation, which we are talking about AI and AI mission. And म्हाका पूर्ण खात्री आसा that Goa will be a dominating factor in years and months to come as far as Goa is concerned in the IT and the AI space. ताजे खातीर सेकंड मिटींग आशिल्ली ती गोवा AI mission where we have had thought sharing, आणि येता ते एक म्हयन्या भितर सोशल मिडिया restrictions on children below 16, at the same time AI mission policy document to be coming to finalization is what we have shared as timelines. We expect things to move progressively. एक महिन्या भितर both these things we need to document and ensure that the industry, the academia benefit and are able to contribute to the skilling and upskilling and reskilling of the Gen Next who is supposed to contribute back to Goa in this particular space.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
माजी, आपको ना सरप्राइज देना था. इन्होंने अपना ट्रांसफर यहाँ करवा दिया है.
हाँ माँ.
और अब जाके मुझे भी एहसास हुआ कि जिंदगी की खुशी अपने घर में है. और माँ जी, जिस किचन में पंचामृता हो उस घर में खुशियों के अमृत की बारिश तो हमेशा होती रहती है.
दादी आज मैंने सुबह गार्डन का सारा काम पूरा कर दिया।
पंचामृता, भारत की पहचान, घर घर में पंचामृता।